Guys, welcome back to Everpreneur, your source for the Everpreneurs out there. If you've tried multiple businesses and you know you're going to keep going, it doesn't matter if you failed at 20 of them, you're going to keep going regardless. This is the account for you. I'm sharing some of my experiences, now running 3 successful businesses. You can have the best product or service in the world. If nobody knows about it and no eyeballs are on it, then who cares? You know, I could have literally the best, the best desk ever created. The desk could fold up into like something that can fit into my pocket. A desk this side could fold up, let's say, and it fits into my pocket. It has, it massages your back. It has like a heated desk. It's got, it's made out of all recycled materials and the whole thing. If 0 people know about my desk, who cares? Who cares? Marketing is so important, and having an Instagram page is really cool because something I want to talk about aside from just the captions is that once you have this page, you don't have to, you can sell anything. You know what I mean? You can start off, and this is a really backwards way to do it. And actually it took me a long time to learn this because I tried a couple Shopify stores before, but what I realized is I was starting a Shopify store to sell some product, but I had no audience. So you can spend 2 years building a crazy, beautiful looking Shopify store with the craziest products and yada, yada, and sourcing products. But if there's nobody to buy it, then you have to now spend all your time on marketing. So really, I like to reverse engineer it. I suggest this. This is something very valuable. I told my clients, I said, listen, build the audience first. Get your audience first. If you're choosing the diet niche, you're gonna go paleo audience, then find out what that audience wants, what they like, what they're into, and then create your product based on what the audience wants. And it's so much of an easier sell because your followers are already familiar with you. You already have the exposure, and you can start getting sales from 30 seconds in. The second you post that up, you could have some sales come in. Where if you try it the other way and you think that they would like paleo smoothies, and then you find out that paleo smoothies are no different than regular smoothies, you know what I mean? You spend all this time creating an ebook, you have no audience, now you have this ebook thing, and it's not aligned with the client. And as well, the more you do the Instagram page, the more you connect with the customers and understand your customers, the more you will know what would actually sell, what will actually, because ultimately, we're entrepreneurs here. We want to be making money, right? We want to be making money, and having that really helps. So again, I'm actually gonna, we're gonna just, again, the Instagram, it's really great to reverse engineer. I'm gonna call it the reverse engineered marketing tactic. Rather than create the store and the products first and try to find somebody to sell it to, we're gonna find all the people, get the marketing, find out what they like, find out what's out there in that industry, in that niche, and doing well already, then create the product and service to them. It's a little bit of a backwards thinking, but marketing is the most important thing. And the best part about Instagram is the more you build up these followers, they really don't go away. I mean, I haven't posted for a week at sometimes. I have the exact same follower account. The people don't go away. So you can, you have these people, and I ran an email campaign. You get emails from them, and then those you can really use along every platform. But it's the reverse engineer technique where you get the audience first, you build the product towards what they want, and you'll really get to know your customers through doing this. I know it's a little bit counterintuitive for you that want to make money right away. If you want to make money today, you know what I mean? You create your store and let's start selling right away. But it's not going to have nearly the same impact as having a full audience of tens of thousands of people that you know what they love, and you create that product right, and you just get them right there, and they'll love it, and they're going to be thanking you. When somebody thanks you for giving them a product, then you know you've done a great job because you've really hit on what their pain points are. You've really, served their need. You've served their need. So again, we're going to call this a reverse engineered Instagram technique. And thank you for watching Everpreneur, and stay tuned for more videos. We're coming at you. I'd love to keep growing the channel. We're new. If you guys could help us out any way you can, whether that's liking or subscribing. Again,